Mama just had both of us. But by the end of today, she'll be childless. So I'll kill you. I'll kill myself too. Oh, because of you. Because of you.
I know. I'm not worthy to call your sister. I have sinned against God and against you. But one thing I ask.
Don't ask me for anything! 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 Who is that?
Madam, Madam.
What do you want?
Madam, the car you asked me to wash, you locked it.
Get out!
Madam,
I said get out!
I never meant to hurt. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home. I know how much you played with me.
Hi, this woman will kill her sister. Eh? Having the control.
Hello?
Hello, Oga?
Any problem?
Oga, there's a problem. Madam wants to kill her sister. I was even knocking, she doesn't want to open the door.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm coming there right away, eh? Break down the door now!
Hey, Oga, I can't break that door. That door is too strong. Or unless if you want to afford the whole building. Eh? Okay.
God.
Start talking.
Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one day always leads to another.
I'm not asking for your forgiveness.
Leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper.
I don't deserve it.
Always leads to another.
I only want to tell you how it started. I never came into your house to hurt you. To destroy your mind. Heaven bears me witness. I only came to assist you. To cover up for your weakness. And that was what I was doing. With all my heart. I never had any skeleton in my cupboard.
Man, you can't believe it. Every morning I wake up by 3:30 and I go to bed by 12 midnight. Yeah! Hey!
Kesi Udiolubonka. Hey! Mba no one can card. That means you don't sleep at all now. Eh? What kind of job is this? This is called slavery. Slavery. You leave this back work. Why don't you look for a job that will give you time to take care of your family? Eh? You need to look after your children. Like careful, teaching. Yes, teaching. If you go to the classroom 8:30 in the morning, 1:30 ago, you can't go in Nabajana do Mwakanya.
Mama work at all these jobs you're talking about. The salary is only on a meeting. I go go not to cover mama. Eh? If not for this banking work, mama, check who would have been taking care of Prezi school fees? And all these good hospitals I take you to, mama. Check
because since you started working in that bank, you've been taking care of us. Crazy school fees, more. Hey, I have forgotten I'm a widow. Oh, no, Lizzie, eat very well now. Look at me. I have put on so much weight. Now I go for work. That canvas that you bought for me. Oh, we go work on now, guys, name son come.
May go tell you also. But mama, there's something I want you to do for me. I want you to help me talk to Praise. You know her exams are finishing by Monday. Let her take the first bus and join me in the city by Tuesday morning. It will help me a long way, mama. Oh, because
so only me will be here in the village. Nobody to help me.
Mama, because
Okay. Because you're a good daughter. And she's your sister too. And also because you have little children. I will tell her.
Thank you, mama.
Oh, your sisters.
Thank you, Kokuyo, mama. Thank you very much.
You know how to obey. Before you go. I pounded it myself. While I was pounding it, I was sweating. Even some of the sweat was entering inside it, which will make it tasty.
Hey, mama.
Without further.
Mama, shape.
You be say when you get to the city, you look for shape.
Okay,
check out Baba Nime Hey!
I'm not going anywhere. I will not go.
How can you talk like that? How can you even talk like that? Is this not your big sister that we're talking about here? Somebody that has been taking good care of us. Everything we eat in this house is the one that bought it. From milk to sugar. You went to secondary school. She's the one that paid your fees. This is the time to pay her back.
Now, she trained me to the secondary school. Fine, let her finish what she's doing now. Let her finish it. When I get to the university, finish. I'll get a good job. Then I will pay her back. I will even take care of you. Get a better job and take care of you even more than her. I will not go. I I cannot go and be a house help for anybody in the city. I'm okay with my village. I'm not going.
Look at you. How will she pay for you to go to university when you cannot show appreciation for the little one she has done for you? You're going to that city. You get all this one you're talking here, I'm not listening. You must go and help your sister in Achije University. Can you talk to university?
Mama, I'm not going. I'm not going.
We will see now. In this house, two of us, we will see. Nonsense. You meant to join our one in a village. Next room, young boy, son, and what is. Go to the township and help and let us see if we will see a better man.
Sorry, mommy. so sorry for keeping you waiting.
No need to be. I'm already used to it.
I've spoken to Mama, and she promised me she'll talk to Praise. So tomorrow morning she'll be here, okay?
It's okay. At least a relation is better than a total stranger.
Yeah, you're right. And my children will also be safe in their aunt's hands.
Exactly.
You're not dressed yet.
Mama, I don't understand. Dress for what?
Is it not today that you're supposed to go to the city to go and help your sister? In that dream, dress for what?
Hey, Mama. So you thought I was joking? I told you I'm not going. I will not go, Mama. I will not. I wasn't joking when I said that. So you want me to automatically leave my computer lesson and go to the city to do what? To help her as what? As house help? Mama, I will not. I'm not joking. I will not. She should employ somebody, not me. I won't.
So you want to stay in the village and be going for, it's not computer lesson. Who is paying for the computer school? Eh? You're busy moving from one man's house to the other. You see, okay, it's about Okafo, Sino Zuro, Imababa Okonkwo, Sino on the shot, it's about Okafo. Okonkwo, Sino on the shot, it's about Obiora. Eh? What kind of a human being are you? Instead of you to go to the city and help your sister that paid your school fees and is not paying for that same computer, you're saying you will not go.
Mama, you see all this when you're saying you're on your own. It will not change anything. I will not go. I will not, Mama. I'm all for lesson.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break your heart. I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper.
Ma, welcome.
Antonio, how are you? Did she come?
No, ma, I didn't see anybody today.
Come be serious.
One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Thank you, darling.
You're back.
Yes. Nathaniel told me she didn't come.
I got back and I didn't meet anybody. So I made some quick cereal for them.
I'm so sorry, darling. Mama gave me assurance that she was going to be here.
They're also my kids. It's my responsibility to take care of them.
Oh, no. If I'm too busy and too occupied to do these things, I think I should provide an option. Not let my husband do house chores.
Whatever.
I'm sorry, I'll take care of it, please. I promise.
Hello? Mama, good evening. Ugo, chelo kwa mwa kai ga balance network ade better. Ugo. How are you?
I am not fine, Mama. I am not just fine, Mama. Why didn't I meet Praise when I got back to this house?
Tell me why, Mama. Ugo, I told her. I begged her. I told her to start going to the city on Godokwa. She says she does not want to come to the city.
No, Mama, please. You just have to talk to Praise. Because if I come back from work tomorrow and I don't meet her in this house, first of all, I'm going to employ a house help, and you people should henceforth not expect anything from me.
Because I will use the money I spend on you on weekly basis and pay the house help.
And as for Praise's university career, she should find someone who will take care of her and sponsor her.
Please, Mama.
Chimo, you don't be too rough with your mother. No.
Hello? Hi! Oh God, you go back.
Praise. You will not kill me in this house. Praise. Good evening. Did you say good evening? Look at the time you're coming back. Is this the computer lesson you told me you were going for? Mama, we finished late. I had to join my friend in their house. This one you're asking. Am I doing anything for you in this house? Are you doing anything for me? Are you doing anything for me in this house? You don't want to hear with these ears. You must hear with your ears. Hey, look at you. Better go in there, pick up your phone and call your sister and tell her you will see her first thing tomorrow morning. Kina crazy. Nonsense. Come on, get out of here. No? Did she say anything? Did she? You're asking me. You're asking me stupid questions.
Meant to bring a happy home.
Yes.
I know how much you made me.
Welcome.
I'm sorry for giving me.
Why don't you should sit there until God comes back? He went to bring his kitchen.
Oh, she told you I would be coming.
Alright. How is village?
Fine.
Welcome.
Deeper and deeper, 'cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. To another, tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Down.
I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Uncle.
Praise.
Uncle. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Princess. Junior, you guys are so grown. Look at you. Fine girl. Junior, did you miss me? So how was this day? I missed you, my children.
How was the journey?
It was okay, Uncle.
Oh, good. Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
Nata, bring her back. Let's go inside.
Always leads to another.
This is where you will keep your bag for now. This is the room you will stay. You might have to change room later, but for now this is where you'll stay. Over there is a toilet and a bathroom. You can go in and freshen up. I'll be in my room. Okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome.
I want to eat noodles.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice.
Why?
Because I ate noodles at school today. I want to eat rice.
Your mom is not around. When she comes back, she'll prepare rice for you. For now, take noodles.
I want to eat rice.
Eat noodles now?
No, I want to eat rice.
I'll spank you!
No, Uncle. You don't have to shout at her like that. It won't help matters. Auntie will prepare rice for you, okay? Now smile for Auntie. Good girl. Now let's go to the kitchen so you help me. So that you wear part. Lulu, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. I love my mommy, she loves me too. I love my mommy, she loves me too. So, princess, what did you learn in school today?
I learned states and capitals. Abia, Maya, Damama, Yola, Aqua.
It's okay. You don't have to sing while eating, okay? So you don't get choked.
Whoa.
Uncle?
I can see Junior is asleep already.
Yeah, she's sleeping already. Finally. Okay, take it upstairs.
Okay.
Uncle, your food is there.
Oh,
In case you're hungry.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Madam Rice. You're back.
Oh my God. Today's work was something else. Could you believe that the transactions could not tally? We had to start all over again, only to find out that one stupid new employee committed a blunder in her records. But thank God we're able to sort everything out.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness. Sweetheart, were you able to eat something? I'm sorry I made you go to bed on empty stomach again.
No, I didn't. Your sister made a very delicious meal, so I had a wonderful dinner.
Really? And the kids?
They did too.
Let me just go and freshen up so I can have my... Praise. Sister, good morning. Good morning, dear. How are you?
Fine, thank
I hope
you.
you slept okay.
Yes, I did.
Please, I have an early morning meeting this morning, okay? Take care of the kids, prepare them for school, and put something in their lunchbox, alright? Their father will take them to school later. How is Mama?
She's fine.
We'll talk about that later. Have a good day.
I said it. I said it. She wants to turn me to a house help. If I was in the village, I'm very sure by now I will still be sleeping. How many things will I do at a time? Lunch bus, take them to school. Please, me, I'm still sleeping. I'm not going anywhere. Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, Praise. How was your night?
It was fine, thank you. Uncle, breakfast is served.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let it be for now. Let me go prepare Junior and Princess for school.
No, Uncle, you don't have to do that. I've done that already. So, I'll just get them down.
They're ready for school?
Yeah, ready.
Interesting. How? By this time? Wow.
My dear, I'm telling you, she does everything in the house. She cleans up, takes care of the children. Can you believe by the time I'm back from work, my children are already in bed, dinner served. By the time I wake up in the morning, my kids are already in their uniforms. You can't believe it.
Hey, hey, I envy you. Hey, you see how good the help of a younger sister could be.
But you know you can always employ a house help who can help you out.
No. Not after the last experience. My husband won't even hear it. No, don't try that. But that's continuous suffering.
My dear, as you can see, we don't belong in the same league.
Very soon your sister will get admission to university. And you will go back to square one.
By the time that happens, another solution will be standing by, so don't worry.
Uncle, good morning.
Praise. Good morning. Today's Saturday, right?
I know. My sister said I should come and pick up your dirty clothes.
Oh. Where's the sister?
She's downstairs.
Okay.
Uncle, please, what would you like to eat?
Ask your sister.
I've already done that. She said I should inquire from you.
Really? Interesting.
I'm not playing my role.
Oh, yes! Why would you ask her to go and check my dirty clothes and ask me what I will eat? Is that not supposed to be your duty as a wife?
Daniel!
Don't Daniel me! You go to work every day, Monday to Friday. You don't care how we fare, you don't know how the kids survive. And on a Saturday, you still don't want to do anything. What kind of life is that?
I sent her upstairs because I was busy down here.
You're not busy, you were just plain lazy.
Listen, Daniel, you met me as a banker and you married me as a banker. So you're going to...
Oh, cut that crap! That banking crap! I know a lot of bankers who go to work every day, but they still manage to combine home affairs with that of work. But you, before Prince came into this house, I almost turned your houseboy. You are blunt, lazy. That is it.
mean, he has never complained before.
But you know men are like that. Once they see another woman better than their wives, they wait.
Another woman? No. Praise is my younger sister. I paid her school fees up to this moment. What's wrong with her coming out to help me with house chores? Not her sister's fault.
I understand, babe. But see, you have to take it easy with your husband. Even if he breaks down the entire building, just be at the receiving end. It will help you a lot. And you know, little things like this can really bring a lot of problem to the home. So please take it easy with him.
Things changed. When Daniel stopped complaining and accepted things the way he saw them. Oh no. Unknown to both of us. That was the beginning of our doom. He was happy. He was trying to stop temptation, but he was happy with I run his family. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop my feelings, but he was happy with me. Always leads to another.
Like Madam has talked with her sister. Are you sure she's not dead? It's like they are discussing. Thank God. Little did he know that I was gradually the position of his wife. Psychologically. Emotionally. And otherwise. One thing leads to another.
Oh, I'm tired of this game. Princess. Oh! Yeah, come. Princess, let's do this one. Come. See what that is? Down. Junior, come now. Come, let's play this one. Come, let's play this one. Okay, now go. Bend. Knock me now. Good. No, not fake. Please, you fake. Yeah, let's do it again. Bend. Ah! You fake. Oh! Okay, bring it, but let's start again. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Your hands are too small. You cannot catch that small ball. Come. Oh my God! Shut up. Like now, Uncle, back in the village, I used to see my friend computer center that I learned French back in the village in secondary school. So they believe me. I'll tell them I can speak French very well. I'll combine two words like la computa la vo la pokwa. Wait, that there's a finish.
What's the meaning of that?
And I'll tell them it means that is my computer. Let nobody get near there. You know what happened, Uncle?
What happened?
One day, one man from Ivory Coast came to the class and he speaks French. So they said they should come and call me that I'm the only one that understands French very well. That should come and translate whatever he says. Uncle, if you see wrong, I will.
Why are you running? You should have taken this French now.
Am I crazy? I used to grab him. As I saw him, I peeked. I run around here.
Why did you stay?
Okay, I can't stay now.
You should have stayed back now. I'm sick now to speak French.
I'm crazy. Let me see.
What?
Auntie.
Oh.
Welcome. And what's the laughter all about? We're just chatting.
Honey, you're back.
Yes, I am. Okay. I'll be in my room.
No, finish your story now.
I'll take pictures. And my kids well fed. Yes, they're in their room. Good night. Oh, good night.
Good night, French woman. This your sister is the not kiss. La computa, la bebou.
Honey, please let me take you to the hospital, okay? You've been like this for the past 3 days. Please.
No, we can't go out now. I won't risk you going out at this time of the night. It's almost 1 a.m.
I know. I can call the doctor on the phone because he lives very close to the hospital. Please.
Let's leave it till morning, please.
No. I'm not comfortable seeing you like this, please. Just get up and change your clothes. Let's go to the hospital.
Let's leave it tomorrow.
No, please.
Oh.
Just try and get up. Please, okay? So you can dress up. Try, okay? Try, darling. Try, please. Please try. Oh, goodness. Sorry. You'll be fine, okay?
Praise.
Sister, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? My husband has been admitted in the hospital. The doctor said he has acute typhoid. Please prepare these children for school. Put something in their lunchbox and for their breakfast, okay?
Okay. Meanwhile, I've arranged for a cabman who will take them to school and later take you to the hospital, okay? So also prepare something for my husband. Is that okay?
Okay. Sorry about Uncle.
It's okay. Did you get what I told you?
Yes, I got everything.
Okay, I have to rush now. I'm late for work.
Who is sick?
So hard to avoid you, but I find that I cannot resist you, 'cause you are driving me out of my mind. I just can't help it, baby. Can't you see your love is driving me crazy? You fill me with fire, I'm burning with desire. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more,
Thank you.
give me more.
You're welcome.
Please, don't you think it's about time you went home?
No, Uncle. I want to stay with you.
I know, but you have to attend your computer classes.
I know. I can always go there some other time, but you need my company now. I want to stay with you.
You're such a wonderful person. You're an angel.
Thank you.
I love you, Praise.
I love you.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
My boy, how are you doing?
Daddy, we are fine. Daddy, when are you going to come back?
I'm coming home tomorrow.
I want to stay here with you.
No, you can't stay in the hospital. You have to go home with Auntie Praise.
No, I want to stay here with you.
Princess, we shall come back, okay? But first you have to go home. Change your uniform, get dinner for Daddy. Then we'll come back to see Daddy, okay?
Okay.
That's my girl, right? You go home, get refreshed, and come.
Okay, now let's go. Move it, move it, move it. Okay. Sorry, we'll be back later.
Alright. Take care of it.
Okay. You must be
Come on, let's finish it, okay?
Okay. No, don't worry about the crumbs. I'm fine now.
No. The doctor said you have to finish it.
But I'm okay now.
No, you have to. Here. Please. think I'm okay. Honey, you know I have to go to work very early tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Let's go rest, okay? Okay?
Alright.
Grace! Grace! Come and clear the table, please.
Nothing?
Nothing?
Yes. What could have kept me?
God, this has to stop. He is my sister's husband. What is happening to us? To me? No. No. It has to stop. It has to stop.
Honestly, I want to go back to the village. Sometimes I wonder why and how you prefer the village life to city life. Tell me, what is catching your fancy in the village, Grace?
Maybe she has a boyfriend there.
I think you're right, Leonard. One rascal has been restless since she left.
You never can tell, you know. You girls will not understand. Then make us understand, praise. It's true that it's not been long we met each other, but as it stands now, we are the only friends you have here in the city.
So we should be the shoulder you lean on. Anytime there's a need for us, tell us what the problem is, and we might have a solution for it. We may be of help.
You can't tell. This is beyond you girls. It's an complex emotional situation. Praise, no matter how complex the situation or the problem may be, we are young girls like you. We might have one or two things to tell you, you know.
Exactly.
So let us understand. Tell us your problem. Like I said, you can't help. I said it's a complex emotional situation. And that's why I want to go to the village. If you can help, then why am I running to the village? Just forget it, okay? Forget it.
I should come. Listen to my mom. How she talks to my sister. I think I have to avert it now that it's time. I have to go back to the village. What are you talking about, Praise? About what? I don't understand.
Praise, stop speaking to us in riddles, please. You don't understand. My sister's husband and I were getting fond of each other. More than required. Is there anything wrong with that? Like I said, you don't understand, do you?
Of course I don't.
Okay. Let me tell you. My sister's husband and I, we are getting emotionally attached to each other. More than mere sisters-in-law thing. And the problem is, I don't trust myself anymore. I don't trust myself anymore. If he eventually comes to me, I don't think I can resist him. I think I'm falling in love with that person. Oh my God. This is serious. Please. Now you see what I mean. You understand what I'm trying to say.
But you can actually stop it if you want to.
You think so?
Yeah.
How?
By telling your sister.
No. Don't even go there. Don't go there. My sister will kill me. I should. No. I should what? Tell my. No. Please. Just think of something else. I can't do that. Tell my sister. You want her to kill me? No.
Praise. I don't want you to go back to the village. There could be other solutions to your problem that does not include going back to the village. You don't have to go back to the village. There's no reason.
What other solutions? Can you tell me what other solution? Just tell me one and I will do that. But not telling my sister, because I will not tell her. She will kill me. Her husband. Do you know what that... Please. Say something else, please.
Nobody.
Don't make me regret for telling you girls these things. Please, I beg. How can you say that?
It's okay. Nobody's going to kill you. Just tell your sister.
I will not tell my sister. Thank you for your advice, but I have to go. I have no option. I'll miss you girls.
You do, Praise. You do. You do okay?
I'll miss you girls.
Talk to your sister and she will understand. And then she
You're
can come
not
to
you
her
don't
husband.
understand. I can't.
You have to. Just try something.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home.
I'll call you babe.
I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember one thing.
You know what? Indeed, Praise is in trouble if she can't handle that. What will you do if you were in her shoes? You know, that's a big question. I don't know if they are both in love with each other. It's left to her to know if she's going to give up her joy and happiness for her sister. You still have not answered my question. What do you want me to say? That I should keep on hiding my feelings and nurture it till it's fully grown and matured. Is that what you want to hear? Maybe that is what I would do if I were in her shoes. You know what? Praise is different. And she has a proper home training. She won't do that. She can't do that to her own sister.
Fine.
Always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop.
Becoming a unit controller and a general manager has always been my dream, even before I joined the banking sector. Nothing can stand my way. I'm already there. What about if your husband stopped you from going for this 3-month training program in South Africa? What would you do?
My husband can't stop me. He can't.
Why? Why are you sounding as if you are too certain?
Because even before he married me, he knew my passion. He knew my ambitions. And he knows that nothing can successfully stand between me and my career. I just can't.
I just hope my husband will allow me to go for that 3 months training. I just pray he does.
With the way you're sounding, my dear, it means your promotion is in the hand of your husband. I mean, you know it's after the training that you'll be promoted.
See, if my husband sees a way of stopping me from this banking job, he will. I hear talking about promotion.
Anyway, you and I need to be separate works, so never mind. Say something. What's the problem?
Nothing. Forget it.
No. No. You have to tell me what the problem is and don't lie to me before I lose it on you right now.
I wanted to tell you that I want to go back to the village.
Why?
I don't want to stay in your house anymore. I want to go.
You're running away from house chores, right? You want to go back to the village, right? What you want to do is follow all those riffraffs and street boys. That is it, right, Praise? Huh? You want me to spend my hard-earned money on you? Every time you ask me to buy you clothes, books and everything. But you cannot help me when I need you, Praise. Let me tell you something. I don't want to hear this nonsense in this house again. Do you hear me? I don't want to just hear it again.
You want to go? You want to leave me and go? You want to leave us and go? Go where?
Uncle, it's not what you think.
I just can't help it, baby. Can't you see your love is driving me crazy?
I don't want to stay anymore.
Why are you doing this to me? You want me to go back to the kind of life I was living miserably?
Uncle, please. Please. I don't want to cause problems between you and my sister.
Kiss me.
Jesus. Sister.
She's gone to bed. She's gone to bed and she thinks I'm in bed too. What?
You can't believe it, Agnes. What? My sister wants to leave me now of all times. She says she wants to go back to the village, that she's tired of staying with us. Can you imagine?
Strange. So what would you do now?
I warned her about that nonsense. I believe she'll never talk about it again.
Now that you're planning for that training trip to South Africa. Devil is at work, you know.
No devil can stop me. Even if she insists on going back to the village, I will let her go. Nothing will stop me from going to that training in South Africa. Instead, I will employ the service of a housemaid.
A maid? Maid with all the scandals going on in Africa about housemaids, rough handling and maltreating the children when their parents are not at home. No, I wouldn't advise that. I won't do that myself. Instead, I will cancel the trip.
Cancel the trip? We both have our priorities, you know.
I'm not even sure my husband will allow me go for that trip. Like you rightly said, we both live in two separate worlds.
That wish I couldn't tell. What's the reason of wanting to go back to the village?
What happened?
I'm going back to the village.
Who offended you? And you're even with your big bag.
Nathaniel, will you lead the way?
Leave the way and stop asking me questions. Please.
Since you came into this house, everything has been moving well. Even the kids love you. Why do you want to go back to the village?
Nathaniel, please don't remind me of things I don't want to know, please. Nathaniel, please.
Okay.
The afternoon be good when you did not tell me that you were coming. Okay, is there a problem?
Mama, there's no problem.
What happened?
Mama, can I at least go into the house fresh enough? I'll tell you everything you want to hear. Please, Mama.
Tell what? You want to go into the house freshen up? Why my heart is on suspension? You don't want to tell me what happened?
Mama, be cool no. Please, can I go in and change, freshen up? Mama, the journey was very hectic. Please, I'm tired. I'll tell you everything later, please. But now, let me go and freshen up, please.
Hey, Chimo Buemo. Hey, Praise. What is it? We've been sitting down here for how long and you've not told me exactly what the problem is. Kerifich Makianata, what is it? Explain to me, let me understand. Biko?
Mama, what else do you want me to say? What else do you want me to say, Mama? I'm no longer a kid. I know what is right and what is wrong. And I said I'm tired. I'm tired of that house, Mama. I'm tired of everything. Sister Oguna, her husband, the kids, everybody is not safe for us, Mama. Mama, I don't want trouble. Please. Trouble? Just let me be, Mama. Let me be.
Trouble. That's all you've been saying. You don't want trouble. Tell me what the trouble is, Kamalun. Are they beating you? Feneti Ife? If you don't tell me, I will not know what the problem is.
Mama, I don't want trouble from Sister Oguna. Her husband. The kids. Everybody. Mama, please. Just forget about it. Just let me be, please, Mama. I'm tired.
Odiokoma, it's not good. This is your sister that we're talking about here. She goes to work in the midnight, comes back again in the midnight, no time to rest. Just for you to go there and look after the children in Oleba and Uncle trouble. Okay, I've said my own. If you like, you help her. If you don't like, you can't was Ali. Membu no one mebu.
is your sister? Who is your sister, Prince? So you have the mind. You have the mind, Prince.
Sister, it's not what you think.
What is it? Tell me, what is it? Tell me. Mama, Mama, so this girl came back to this house and you allowed her to stay in this house, Mama?
When she came back, she told me that there was trouble. Everywhere, trouble. Gave him a mess.
Trouble? What trouble, Mama? Ask her. Look at her here. Let her tell us what the trouble is.
Trouble? You mean you people did not quarrel?
Mama, look at her here now. We did not quarrel.
Praise.
Mama,
what happened?
I don't want to stay. I don't want to stay.
Mama, have you seen it? She's running away from housework, Mama.
It's a lie, Mama. Ask her now, Mama. I'm the one doing the whole housework. I don't just want to stay. I don't want to stay. Why should I run away from housework? Why?
The only thing you know how to do is to rub lipstick. You thought Angela eyeshadow, everything terrible. You wig, swagger trouser. You know me moving on the highway. That's the only thing you know how to do. You were putting
Before I close my eyes and open it, you better get into the house, pack your bags, and let's get back to the city.
Before your sister closes the eye and opens, move on.
I'm waiting, my friend.
I don't want to stay.
Look at her. Because they open nothing and closing the eyes. How come I can my upkeep money? Because if you don't listen, she will not supply the milk and sugar.
We didn't see Praise in our center today, so we came to check if she's inside, if she's okay.
She's fine, she's fine.
Can you help us call her and tell her that Joy and Leonard are at the gate waiting for her?
Sorry, I can't call her. I can't call her.
What do you mean you can't call her? Are you sure she's inside at all?
She's inside.
Call her now and tell her that Joy and Leonard are at the gate waiting. Is that too big for you to do?
You just better go. I can't call her now, please.
Biao boy, are you okay? Call her, tell her that we are both waiting for her outside.
Please don't call me a boy. Point of correction, my name is Nathaniel.
Can you
just go now? I can't call her now. Thank you.
That trip to South Africa was an unfortunate. From the pit of hell to ruin us, to steal our love and bond.
Leads to another, trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to
Between
another.
both of us,
I never really planned.
my sister.
One thing leads to another, trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another.
If only you had allowed me to go back to the village.
Leads to another, trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another, trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another.
Honey, why is your face like that? Come on, cheer up. It's just for 3 months, and besides, all good. Please.
Are you set?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go.
Praise, please take care of the house for me. Take care of the kids as usual. Okay? And take care of my husband as well.
Sister, I will.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Praise, please take care of the house. I'll drop off at the airport and go to the office from there.
Okay, Uncle. I will. Uncle, I thought you said you'd be leaving for the office from there.
Yes, I forgot something.
What?
Let's go inside.
Inside?
Let's go inside.
Free to do what?
Free to love each other.
Uncle, please. I can't do this. I can't do this to my sister, please.
Please stop saying this. She's gone. We have the whole house to ourselves now.
Please.
Let's wait.
Stop, please.
No, please don't do this to me. Please, I beg in God's name, please. What I feel for you now is so deep. It's something beyond my control. You can't do this to me, please.
She's my sister. I can't.
Please. Praise, please open the door for me, please. Praise!
No! Go to work!
How can you do this to me? You know I've come to fall in love with you. I've fallen completely in love with you. I need to see you. Open the door for me, please.
Daniel! Why are you doing this to me? Why are you torturing me? Why are you tormenting me? I'm your wife's sister!
I know that. I made a mistake marrying her. I want to correct that mistake now, please. Please don't leave me like this. Just open the door. I'm begging you. Just open. I want to talk to you. I want to see you.
Go away. Go away! Leave me alone! Go! Go! Leave me alone!
Okay. I'm going.
Always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop temptation, but I
Some saw my friend's in school that his mother takes him out always. But my mother don't do that.
Princess, do you know why Somto's mother has time for them?
No.
It's because Somto's mother is a teacher and your mother is a banker. Teachers have time for themselves. They go to work in the morning and close by 12 in the afternoon. Same time we close from school. But bankers, they work from morning till night. Okay? So don't compare yourself with Somto again. Okay?
But Auntie Grace, will you be a banker?
No, I will not. You know why?
No.
Because I would love to be a teacher. Because I want to have time to take care of you. I'll go to work in the morning, come back in the afternoon when you are back from school. So I'll have time to play with you, feed you and take care of you.
My mother is a banker.
Yes, sweetheart, your mother is a banker. Now, open up, open up. Good boy.
My mother will come back tomorrow, right?
Your mommy is not coming back tomorrow. Your mommy will come back next month. But I'm here for you now.
But Auntie Grace, will you leave us?
I won't leave you. I'll be here for you both. All of us.
Are they asleep now?
Yes, you're asleep.
Thank you very much, Grace. I don't know how to thank you.
Uncle, you don't have to thank me. I owe my sister this. She contributed a lot to my upkeep and well-being. I'll be in my room now. Good night.
Not even a hug?
your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more.
Please don't do this. I can't think. I can't
do this. She's my sister. I can't do this.
No, wait. Praise.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home. I know how much you play. Sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Try to stop temptation, but I went.
What is it?
My computer class payment. They are beginning to disturb me.
On your way to your computer class, branch over my office. I don't have cash on me. Where are my kids?
They're outside, waiting for you.
Always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Yeah, who is it coming?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm very sorry.
Have I not given you the money you asked for?
Yes, you have.
What are you still waiting for?
I'm sorry. I'm going.
I never really planned it. One thing to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to hurt you.
How are you? Fine. How was it today? Yeah. How was it today? Did anybody pick you today? Oh. Uncle, welcome.
Thank you.
Uncle, what will you like to eat for dinner?
Oh, I'm good. Make yourself.
Leads to another.
Daniel, why are you doing this to me? You no longer have time for me. You no longer eat my food. What have I done?
Isn't that what you wanted?
Daniel, please. We can still be close like we were. Without any sexual attachment. Please.
You lie, Praise. What are you talking about? Our emotions are involved here and you know it.
Daniel, I can't do this. You're my sister's husband. I can't.
Stop talking about you being my wife's sister all the time. We're talking about love. Love just happens. We don't force it. What I feel for you is beyond understanding, it's beyond comprehension. I don't know. And I know you love me too, so why don't we just let it flow?
Daniel, this love will not survive. It will not.
It will survive. Can't I have a second wife? Don't I have a right to have a divorce? What are you talking about? Ever since you came into this house, all I've known is happiness and joy. Now you want all of that to go away? Why? I go to bed each night wishing you were lying just beside me, and then I wake up in the morning alone. Do you know how painful it is? Please, let's allow this love to grow, I beg you. Please, don't do this to me. Let's be together. Our hearts yearn for each other. Let's give it a chance.
I feel the same way too. Every night I keep asking myself, why you? My sister's husband. Why? It could be any other man in the street. Why you? Why am I having these strong feelings for the wrong person?
Our hearts can never be wrong. I know your heart yearns for me and mine yearns for you. Why don't we just let it happen, Praise?
Without you, I am nothing. I'm just like dead. I beg you, please. I know you don't have to be scared about anything. What? Brace! Brace! God damn it.
The first day you stepped into this house, something in me jerked up in ecstasy. But I tried to suppress this because you were my wife's sister. But as hard as I tried to let go, the urge was stronger and stronger. I couldn't concentrate, thoughts of you filled my mind. first day I held your hand at the hospital bell, I felt heaven. The first time I kissed you, I vowed never to let you go. You engulfed my total being. I urged and wanted you to be mine forever. Now here you are, in my arms right where you belong.
I don't care any longer. I have to follow my heart. I may not know where this is leading us to, but one thing I know is that I'm in heaven right now.
Why did the security man refuse to come her for us?
I think Praise is in kind of trouble. She's not even picking her calls and she didn't even come for lectures today. The Praise I know won't miss lectures for one day.
And now, he's saying that Praise is in there, but he will not call her out. Something is definitely not right. Something is definitely not right.
Do you remember the story she told us about her ordeal with her sister's husband?
Yes. But she said that her sister has already taken control of the situation.
Maybe she lied and she has given in for her sister's husband's demands. Nobody can, you never can tell.
Let's go. I just pray she's okay. We pray on her.
Why would she want her head? Wasn't she the one that started this all? That means Praise was right. Someone actually entered that room yesterday. Oh God. My marriage is about to come to an end. Will you take away this car from the road?
Sir, the motor broke down.
Break down? How? What happened to it?
He refused to enter for gear.
Oh God. Oh God.
We're free, like the air, due to your absence. We miss love. In its lightest.
Trying to stop temptation, but I went
Trinity. India. Danny. Kitchen. Toilet. Where?
Princess, Daddy is taking us out this Saturday morning.
Are we going to the beach? Some told Father takes them to the beach.
Let's wait and see where Daddy will take us to, okay? Honey,
Alright, good. Look at my lovely kids looking ravish.
do you know I can't remember when last someone took me out?
Really?
Yeah.
For you, village girl.
Okay, I'm not going again.
I'm sorry now, you know I was joking.
I'm not going.
Okay, what do I do to make up for my sins?
Too hot.
Hot. We got it.
Look at you, I know you like it. What, Daddy?
Alright, get into the car. Get in. Get in.
Sorry, darling. You know how it is with work. I've been so busy. The workload lately is something else. No, not really. How can you say that? You know, I'm missing you very much. I'm so lonely on this big bed right now. They're good. They're fine. Oh, she's good. She's great. She's been taking good care of the kids and she's actually feeding us fat. Yeah, I'm here. Oh yeah, that's great. Thank God, finally I get to see you. I've missed you so much, you know. I will. I love you too.
What is it?
She's coming back soon.
What? Is it 3 months already?
I didn't realize myself. Can they not just extend?
Glad to be back home. We've been away for 3 months. That's a whole lot of time. I miss everybody. I miss the kids. I miss Junior. I miss my sister. I miss you. I miss my mom, my colleagues in the office. Everybody, I miss them. Oh my God. Sweetheart, what's wrong with you? Are you not happy that I'm back?
No, not that. I'm good. I just am not feeling fine. I need to see my doctor.
Oh, so sorry. Once we go back.
That's all right, I'm fine.
Good boy. Now let's go. Let's go again. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 9, 18. 10 plus 10, 20. Good boy. Again. High five. Move. So now we go to A. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for C is for chair. Good boy. D is for dog. E is for hey, mommy's back, mommy's back. Junior, mommy's back.
All right. That's the thing.
Sister, come. Junior, mommy's back. Go and hug mommy, naughty boy. Go.
Junior, come and say hello to your mom.
Sister,
where's Princess?
she's upstairs. She's sleeping. So you're looking so fresh. Oh, South Africa woman.
Junior, come. I hope you're fine.
Nothing. Don't worry.
There's no problem. Your wife that you've not seen for the past 3 months is lying beside you. And you can't even notice her. Why?
I just told you now there is no problem, okay? I am just having some symptoms like I told you earlier. I'm good.
I thought you said you were going to see the doctor.
Yeah, I actually went, but he was not sick. I'll go back tomorrow.
Daniel, you left me here all alone in this cold night to be with her. Come, Daniel. Come and finish what you started doing.
Trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it.
Daniel, can't you see I can't sleep here all alone? Can't you see I can't sleep here all alone without you lying by my side? Daniel, come.
Trying to stop temptation,
Come. Where is she?
I left her in the room. She's fast asleep. I couldn't sleep without you.
Me too. I couldn't sleep all night. I miss you, Daniel. I love you, Daniel.
You're awake.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the children's room. You know, Princess has been having this nightmare for the past 4 weeks. She just jacks up and screams in the middle of the night. So I went to check up on her.
How is she then?
Oh, she's good. She's good. She's gone to bed. I guess she was missing you and all of that. She's good.
Fabulous. Are you telling me the truth? I mean, I haven't been myself since I got back. You can't believe it. My husband is not happy to see me. He's not happy that I'm back.
Are you saying he didn't touch you last night?
For where? I was the one who even tried to do that. And he gave me some clumsy excuse.
That's serious.
My son Junior could not even embrace me when he saw me. They were like, why did you come back? You wouldn't have come back. Can you imagine that?
God have mercy. I hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
Are you thinking in the same direction with me?
Please, if that is what you're thinking.
I suspected some foul movement last night. If this is true, if this is what I'm even imagining, I would kill somebody. I mean, I would devour that girl with my bare hands. I'm telling you the truth. I will kill her.
See, babe, there's only one way to find out the truth. And you have to take that one way as fast as possible.
You have to.
I didn't tell you girls. My sister bought me a lot of things from South Africa.
Serious? My own is that this top you're wearing now, you will go in there and change to something nice because I want this. It belongs to me.
Look at this girl. If I give her this top, what will I wear home now?
That's your problem.
You want me to go naked? Don't worry. I have one very beautiful one like this. Exactly like this. But different is the color. Yellow. It will suit you now. You know you're dark.
I know, Gogri. You guys are not talking about giving out clothes. I'm not left out here. What about me?
No, but don't worry. I have one very nice one for you. Very sexy.
Like serious?
Yes, now. Very sexy.
I want the sexy one.
You're my first now. I can't have such a thing. Start giving you girls now.
Hello?
Please meet me in my office right away.
Now?
Immediately, please, now.
Okay. I'm coming right away. Who was that? My sister. She wants me to come to her office right away. Get something from us. Why coming back then?
And tell her your friends are saying a very big welcome and we're asking for our own South African goodies.
Then I won't give you what I have for you girls again. No problem.
No, that's for you girls. Let me go and say bye. You like something we know you.
She's going to suspect us.
Yeah, I think so too because she came into my room last night.
I didn't even know when she entered.
She did?
Yes, she did.
That must have been after I'd gone back to my room.
Maybe. So, what do we do now?
I don't know. I think it's about time I told her the truth. She needs to know what's going on. I mean, she has to be ready to accept you as a co-wife. Then she can go. That's my stand.
Ronnie, no, please. Not now, please.
Then when? I'm tired of playing hide and seek in my own house. I'm too big for that.
Ronnie, please.
Please. There are things we should consider here. There's a point we should consider here. She's my sister, remember? She gave me a better life. I can't possibly pay her with evil. No. Please, just hold on. I will tell you when to tell her. Please.
I don't have time.
Daniel, please. This is not what we should be discussing here. Please.
What should we be discussing here?
I'm leaving. When I get home, I'll call you.
No. Please don't keep me on suspense. Don't.
Don't keep me on suspense. Any movie without suspense is not worth watching. Remember, that's your favorite line.
But we're not making a movie here.
We'll see, find out. See you later.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And where is your food? Sister, it's in the kitchen. I'll eat later. Bring your food. Let's eat together.
Yeah, bring yours. It's a good one.
Hello? Good evening, sir. Oh, okay, sir. All right, sir. Right away. Honey, it's our regional manager. He just called me that we have a board meeting, all-night board meeting, and it's very important.
An all-night board meeting?
Yes.
By this time?
Yes.
It really must be important for him to call you up for this.
Yes.
It's alright, you can go.
Okay. Let me just get ready.
Yes! I can't wait. He has an all-night board meeting, so we have an all-night bed meeting.
Nathaniel!
Huh?
See, I'm going out. Keep your phone very close. I'll be back in 1 hour's time. Okay? If I call you, open the gate for me. I am not coming back with my car. Have you heard me?
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody asks you what I just told you, don't tell them anything.
I hope you understand.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Open the gate for me.
Praise. Praise.
Has she gone?
Yes, she's gone. I can't wait.
Wait, let me shower. I'll join you later.
No, there's no time for that.
Go! Let me freshen up. I'll join you.
Oh, okay. Please be fast with it, okay?
Go.
Don't waste time. Fast.
So how did you go? You can't believe it. You can't believe the excitement on their faces when I told them I was going for an honored board meeting. Are you serious? I am very serious. So why will a small girl like Praise up to this kind of behavior? I have no idea. But let me tell you, if this results to be true, I will become a murderer by tomorrow because I'm going to kill her. I will kill her. They must be at it now. Yeah, I'll wait, go and come back. God help me. Don't do anything stupid, okay? I won't.
Thank you.
Wait.
What is it?
Wait.
What is it?
Someone is there.
No one is there. No one is there.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
You can't stop this now. Nobody's there.
Wait, baby. I heard someone. Someone is there.
I'm telling you, but my wife went out. Let's go.
Yeah.
Why? Calm down. I praise. Calm down first. Calm down. Okay?
How can you tell me to calm down? I heard my sister mourning on my husband. On my matrimony, I better you tell me to calm down.
It's okay. It's okay.
No.
Please, it's okay.
It can't be okay. It won't be okay until I kill her.
No. Stop that. Hey, don't joke with death. Please.
Someone has not cried for the past 20 years. And you think it's a joke?
Wait. Just stop. Let's go to my house. Let's enter my own car. Please.
Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Honey, you're back.
Yes, I am.
How was the meeting?
So hectic. I need to take a warm bath and rest.
Oh yeah, that's good. You'll still go back to the office, right?
Do you expect me to?
No, I'm just wanted to be sure.
Get into the car.
Take. Yeah, kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.
Praise. When going for your computer classes, branch over at my office. We have something to discuss.
Okay.
And we shouldn't go to work today. She's upstairs, so make something.
I will.
See you.
Princess, make sure you don't look for trouble, okay?
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to curse you, babe. I never meant to break.
Look at the time. Does it mean she's still at home at this time? And she's not even taking her calls.
I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned.
Pick your call now. Where have you dropped your...
Leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
She still does anything. Meet me upstairs.
Very sorry. I didn't mean to betray you.
Two sisters. Leonard, what have you done?
I never really planned to hurt you, but one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to betray you, but one thing always leads
Father, please forgive me. Let her not die. Let her survive this. Please forgive me, Lord. It was all my fault. I shouldn't have left my primary duty as a wife. I should have listened to my friend. Father, please, for my sake, for the sake of my mother, spare her life. Never will I leave my duties to anyone again. Because as I'm here, the banking work is going on in my office without me.
I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. Always leads
Ask me. She can explain later. What have I done, God? What have I done? What have I done?
Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? What happened to her? Where is she? Hospital. Dad without me. She did not want to come back. You were forcing her. Then you came, you started speaking English. If you get, I want to see my daughter. She said, no. Doctor said she's calling me. Can't calling me. Take me to see my daughter. Hey! I want to see friends, please. Let us go. I want to see her. I want to see her with my big eyes.
Ugonna, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've put you through. I'm sorry for the kind of havoc I've wreaked in this house. I don't know what got into me. At some point, I began to see Praise as the woman of the house. She was always around doing all the chores, taking care of me, and she became my soulmate at some point. I didn't realize what I was doing. I didn't realize how deep I had gotten. Now I know what I have done to you. I know the pain I have caused you, and I beg you to forgive me, please.
You don't have to be sorry. I'm the one who should be sorry. I'm the one who should be sorry. I left my primary assignment, which is you, my children and my home. My ambition for my work took over me. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me.
I have forgiven you. Please forgive me too.
One thing